You ready, Ellie?
Yeah.
Tell me what number you're doing first.
0.
Okay.
Begin at 2, up and over to 10, back around to 2.
Very good. Now what number are you going to do?
6.
Okay.
Begin at 2, go up and over to 10, around to 4, after, what is this word again?
Midline.
Midnight, over to 8.
Very good.
Begin at 2, go up and over to 10, across 4,
Uh-huh.
and back and around to 8, and back up to 2.
Very good. Let me give you the one for 9. Are you ready? Okay. Show me how you make a 9.
Upside down. Letters.
Oh, did I give you the wrong one? Oh my goodness. There you go. Okay, go for it.
Begin at 2, go up and over to 10, back around to 2, and make a slanted line.
Very good.
Now I'm going to do a 2.
Okay, now you're going to do a 2. Here. Then you keep the same one. Do the 2.
Begin at 2.
No, begin at 10.
Begin at 10, go up and over to 10. To 2.
That's okay. Slightly slanted line down to the baseline. Cross over. Very good. Yay! Okay, now we'll do what are we going to do now? Going to do the 5? Show me how you do the 5.
Begin right here.
Begin under the top guideline.
Go to 11. Go around to 8, and lift up the finger and make your top.
Very good, Elle. Now, if you want to flip it over, you can pretend that this is your piece of paper and show me how you make a 1. Slanted line down to the baseline. Very good. Okay, what about a number? We can still use this, Elle. We'll just pretend because we don't need to use that. But that way you have the guidelines. Okay. So which number are you doing now? A 7? Okay.
Begin right here. Go over and flip.
Very good.
Over this.
Yeah, actually, but when you make a 7, you do it right like this, and then you go all the way down to the baseline. Remember, this is the midline. Would you like to do it one more time?
Begin right here, go like that, and then all the way to the baseline.
Very good. Okay, now let's do number 4.
Oh.
You know what we can do with number 4? I have an idea. Watch. So you can make your 4 by going like this. Begin at the top guideline. Go down to the midline. Cross over. Look. a sharp turn. Pick your finger up and make your line all the way down to the baseline. Can you do that?
I'm not doing very well.
Well, show me how you make a 4 then.
Go like this.
No, Goofy. Okay, look. You know how to do a 4. Start. Here, let me get my words. It's easier sometimes if I have my words. Okay. Begin just under the top guideline and make a line straight down to the midline. No, the midline. Start again. Begin just under the top guideline. Make a line straight down to the midline. Make a sharp corner. Slide across the midline. Lift up your finger. Go back up to the top guideline, but to the right, and make a straight line down to the baseline. Very good, Elizabeth. So you have 1, 7, 4, and you can also do 0, 6, 8, and 9. And you've just learned how to do 5 and 2, and we're still learning how to do 3. Still learning how to do 3? Yeah. Would you like to try to do 3?
I'm going to draw them down.
Are you gonna do 3 first? Why don't you practice 3 first? Do one more, okay?
Okay.
Start at 10 on the clock. Go up and over to 2, around to 6, and stop. Without lifting up your finger, go back and repeat this shape in the main section of the house. So now we repeat it by going, pretend like there's another circle right here. Can you do it? Okay, we need some work on that one, don't we, girl? Okay.
We have to draw.
Signing off. Say bye.